Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do reading for Pisces water sign, your weekly reading. So let's see your love messages for the week. Pisces water sign. What are the messages for you? Pisces. This is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. The Hangman. Okay, Two of Cups. The Emperor. Yeah, here the Hanged Man. Definitely one person in this connection is spiritually awakening. You both have strong bond between both of you, because Two of Cups, you both love each other. Definitely there is love between both of you, and this connection is protected by the angels. But one person in this connection is very committed, loyal. It could be you or your person, Pisces. But one person is spiritually awakening in this connection, Hanged Man. They are stuck. They are thinking about the other person a lot. Page of Pentacles. Oh, see, the Lovers and Six of Swords. Yeah, definitely there is love between both of you, Two of Cups and the Lovers. Page of Pentacles, definitely some communication is going to be happen between both of you. Six of Swords, definitely this could be long distance relationship. Some communication, if there are some communication issues, that issues are going to be resolved between both of you. Let's see some more. The Sun, Nine of Swords, Sagittarius reading also. What? Ace of Cups. One person in this connection is in depression and anxiety. It could be you or your person. I think it could be your person also, because if there is separation or there is less contact between both of you, definitely your person is in depression and in some anxiety. The Sun, definitely your person want this happiness with you, and you also want this happiness with you, because Ace of Cups here, definitely love between both of you overflowing. But one person in this connection is not expressing their feelings. One person in this connection investing more than the other person. Yeah, the Fool. Definitely new beginnings, those who are in separation. The Strength. Temperance. You or your person could be Sagittarius, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Yeah. So I think in this connection, patience and balance is needed, definitely, because the Temperance is here. There is no balance. Yes, one person invests more on this connection than the other person. That's why there is no balance between between both of you. So one person stand by their power, but another person also gaining their strength, because who are in depression and anxiety, that person gaining strength. Definitely they are gaining strength. I think your person gaining strength and they stand by their power. Spices, even though they want new beginning and they want to take risk, but before the new beginning with you, they want to stand by their power, because they want balance in this connection. So yeah, Queen of Wands, definitely your person stand by their power. Your person could be Sagittarius. So let's see your person right now, their energy, little bit your person. Spices, your person. Projections, yeah, they are in confusion, that's why they are in anxiety. Guidance, Three of Pentacles. Sharing, yes, your person is very sharing, caring, and who put a lot in this connection is your person, definitely, because Queen of Pentacles means they are very loyal, they are very caring, and they are very sharing. Definitely Three of Pentacles, definitely they are always been there for you in this partnership, in this connection. But I think you are the person not putting as much as effort, your person putting in this connection. Possibilities, Two of Wands, definitely your person thinking about you a lot. The Outsider, Five of Pentacles. Yes, if there is separation for some, definitely your person feeling sad, traveling under the deck, definitely Eight of Wands. You person may be traveling to some area. Eight of Wands, definitely situations moving very fast. You both are going to be contact back and forthly. Definitely there will be some communication between both of you. You both will be communicate back and forthly. Last card for the reading, Spices. Yeah, Magician, definitely. I think one person in this connection manifesting the other person. I think your person may be in Magician energy, manifesting energy. So yeah, your person, I think you both have to, I think you have to put the same effort as much as your person put, then this connection will grow and going to next level. I'm getting definitely your person stand by their power. They're gaining their power back and they want to take their power back. They're gaining their strength and they want balance in this connection. So this is the reading for the Spices. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me guys. Bye.